tomorrow we will know, but I think what is important is like to try to always improve. Maybe you should read Milarepa's life story. Milarepa life story. You can read Words of My Perfect Teacher, and all these books are very, very good. Like Joy Ornament of Liberation, and there are so many books. These are very, very good books, and it will help you. It will help you to enhance our devotion. Because nowadays, olden days, when you write a book, suppose you have written a book, you want to publish, you have to bring this book to a group of panditas. They'll be sitting in a row. So then you have to place this book in front of these panditas. The pandita will test you, ask you questions, grill you, like, when someone is nominated in the Congress, they get grilled, and you almost become a grill stick, grilled. You will be grilled all the time. And if they find your book is not suitable, if you've written this book out of selfish, then they will immediately reject, and you are not allowed to publish this book. So many of these books, so we respect until today because it has gone through all this tests. But nowadays, everybody can write whatever I want. There's nobody is testing, nobody is saying anything. What I think, what I thought, what I believe, I just write a book. So it can be very, very dangerous. Could be sometimes misleading. So if you want to read book, you should always consult Lama or Rinpoche, anyone who knows. Otherwise, if you just read a book, it will be more harmful than the benefits. So it is very dangerous. It's Kali-yuga. They call it Kali-yuga. In India, Kali-yuga means dark age. Dark age. So there are so many things will be happening. Not just in Indonesia. There are so many, even in Tibet. There are so many fake Rinpoche. There are so many fake lamas. So many fake teachers. And this fake, they attract more than the real one. Not because they are more powerful. To be attracted by negative energy is very easy. For instance, to be good is hard as dying. To be bad, nobody have to give you your support. You can be bad, just imitate right now. To be good, it takes ages. So to attract to bad energy, very easy. Very easy. To be attracted to good energy, very difficult. And so we are attracted to so many bad things. That's the problem. And also because when you follow a genuine, genuine gurus, there are so many genuine gurus. What they will say you is what is important to you. Not something what you want to listen, but what is important to you. But when you follow the fake one, they are very smart. They say what you want to listen. So you are attracted, oh, I really like it. So I follow. So you end up with what, So many, in Tibet, even in Tibet, one time, that's a long story, there was a corn man who came to one village. And this villager had so much of devotion to Amitabha Buddha. And then he went to this villager and said, wow, this terrible thing happening in Amitabha Pure. And he said, what is happening? Oh, this time the snow was too much. There was so much of snowfall, and Amitabha Buddha, all of them getting so cold. So they need a lot of clothes. So they did offer all their belonging to him to offer Amitabha, but they thought Amitabha need jackets. So it's happening in Tibet, it's happening everywhere, and they're getting smarter by day, you know. So it is up to you. You have to use not your brain, use your wisdom. If you use your brain, then you go wrong. You know? Yeah, you have to use your wisdom. Anyway, I like to stop. Leave it here, dedicate. Huh? You need to translate?
Perlu diterjemahkan.
Make a shot.
Oh ya.
Make a shot.
Oke. Jadi yang ini kita singkatkan saja, yaitu bahwa kalau misalnya devosi kita, rasa bakti kita masih naik dan turun, itu adalah sangat manusiawi sekali. Kalau misalnya kita tidak memiliki rasa naik dan turun, mungkin itu yang nggak normal yang terjadi pada diri kita. Jadi apa yang terjadi adalah, apa yang penting adalah kita harus menyadari bahwa kita memiliki hal demikian, dan dengan demikian maka kita mempersiapkan diri kita untuk berkembang menjadi lebih baik. Ya, itu yang pertama. Dan di sini juga apa yang dapat kita lakukan adalah kita bisa banyak membaca buku seperti misalnya Riwayat Dhammayarapa dan sebagainya, yang ini akan meningkatkan rasa bakti kita atau devosi kita. Dan dalam hal yang lain lagi adalah bahwasanya kita juga bisa melihat kenyataan bahwa kadang-kadang kita juga tidak bisa mengikuti guru kita itu terlalu dekat, ya, karena kalau misalnya terlalu dekat kita bisa saja mungkin melihat kesalahan-kesalahannya. Mungkin saja itu adalah kesalahan guru, mungkin saja juga adalah kesalahan diri kita sendiri, ya. Jadi kita harus menjaga jarak. Dan yang kemudian lagi adalah bahwa menjadi kenyataan juga bahwa bukan hanya di Indonesia, dimanapun juga di Tibet dan tempat manapun juga selalu ada guru yang asli dan guru yang tidak asli, guru Rinpoche yang benar, Rinpoche yang gadungan gitu ya. Jadi dan bahkan yang Rinpoche gadungan ataupun lama gadungan inilah yang justru dapat menarik umat yang lebih banyak, karena memang sebagai manusia kita lebih gampang untuk tertarik pada hal yang negatif daripada hal yang positif. Karena guru-guru yang baik, guru-guru yang benar itu selalu mengatakan apa yang perlu bagi kita, bukan apa yang ingin kita dengarkan, tetapi bagi guru yang mungkin ya untuk menarik umat, mereka selalu mengatakan apa yang kita ingin dengar sehingga kita menjadi senang, bukan apa yang perlu kita ketahui.
That's fast.